boxing Afrique we wash and the follow headers chop. We done ready. Hey clubs. Nah.
We are a team of ENSUP Africa.
My name is FASEG, Journalism and Communication. We're here to win the final of the greatest speakers because our opponent doesn't exist and the judge is God.
Online training must be considered how the training will support a learner when help is needed. Moreover, online training is self-paced.
So online training also allows us something really important.
I think it's a great concept as far as it's to help students to talk English and how to call it and practice. And I think nowadays we should have to be bilingual. Like we have to speak French and English basically because enterprise is needed and we future need to elevate the defeat.
We do appreciate that initiative because right here in Senegal we noticed that from the first form to the upper sixth form we're learning the English language but students they don't practice the language.
We really like ease because that was a typical topic that was and even a topic that can allow us to think again, to do some researches and to know how to develop our country in first.
So the fact is, my opponent may be lack of online research because what they did not understand is what we're defending is this. Traditional university is not a perfect substitute to online training.
Or would you rather pay 100,000 of French CFA, being surrounded by your friend, to have a teacher teaching you? The choice is yours. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. Here is the FASEG great speaker team, and my name is Papa Malik Demede.
Hi, the name is Khadim.
Hi, the name is Lamine Remy Sambou.
I think the great speaker is a nice initiative because it allows us to express ourselves and shape our leadership and our ability to speak in front of the public.
So that's great. I love the competition, and just like the movie, I like the way people talk, and this is what I always dreamed of, and it's great.
And you can win this competition?
Yeah, of course, because my guys and I'm quite sure that they have acquired enough experience. This first match is only the beginning. The best is to come.
Capital punishment does not treat anybody. It is a disaster for the human life, for the living beings. If you kill somebody, it doesn't mean you're supposed to get killed also. It just means that you're supposed to be sanctioned.
It's a non-problem. Why I say so? Because if ever I kill you, and the guys they kill me, my family will be around you to your family, and yours will be to mine.
Yeah, my name is Elijah Mansam, and we are here to represent our school, which name is ISEG.
Okay, so my name is Abu Bakr.
Such a great honor to be part of this competition, which name is Great Speaker. Vying for a great competition like this is a blessing and honor for all of us. But I'll think that when you just got the opportunity to come over here, that will increase your level in English and give you a lot of different opportunities in life. And that's the reason why we're here. And doesn't matter you are a loser or winner. Yeah, the topics was very interesting. It was a neck and neck competition where our opponents that was really tough and we was really tough too. But it just depends on the judge how to correct and give the final results. But we hope to be the winner because we are strong, we are powerful, and we are not going to be losers because we come from deep and down from the bottom. And that's the reason why we are going to be the winners. And thank you for that.
As you may know, the young people, they are the cream of the nation. We tend to become leaders of the future, and at this time we are toiling and mauling, working day in and day out, so that to be those leaders in the future. And inshallah, things are going to be all right.
It's our responsibility to all of us to protect life and to make all those known, all those criminals who do not consider us as valuable, that if they kill, they're going to be killed too. That should probably discourage them.
In the Bible, I think that you don't exactly the sacred books. Bible, Leviticus chapter 24.
2022, it says, "Over taking the life of someone should be put to death." Only in the Quranic verse it said, "Eye for eye, life for life, ear for ear, retribution for wounds."
I'm Aziz Rutenbergo from ESMT.
Hello, I am Aminata Kinida from ESMT 2.
Hello, I'm Mohamed Mustafa Baldi from ESMT 2.
The great speaker permit us surely to improve our level in English and also to be some great person in future, because you know that it's not so easy to come in front of person, in front of audience to speak like that. No.
I think it's not that easy because you have to be for and against. You can be for and give arguments that are against, or you can be against and give arguments that are for. The thing is, it's never easy. You have to find arguments, you have to look confident, you have to mean what you say, so it's definitely not that easy. You have to really, really work hard to get, through all these difficulties and speak what you want, what the message you want to send to the public.
The first game was ENSUP versus FASEG, and I guess that you know how it works. So we have separate sheets, and then we make the total to come to final average. So for the first game, ENSUP 76.3 and FASEG 78.7. The winner is FASEG. When it comes to the second game, so we had ESMT versus ISEG, right? And for the marks, ESMT has got 73.3 and ISEG 70.2. So the winner.
I hope that we'll win. We gave
My friend, it's not a hope. We will win this. Thank you.